Now coming on to the lower end of the tibia. So anteriorly, the anterior surface, they passes the tendons of anterior compartment of the leg. So they are arranged over here, like towards the medial side there is a tendon of tibialis anterior, then there is another tendon that is flexor hallucis longus. Then comes the artery and nerve. The artery is the anterior tibial artery, and the nerve, that is the deep peroneal nerve laterally, and more laterally there is a tendon of peroneus tertius. So these are the tendons which pass anteriorly below your retinaculums. Basically the retinaculums, that is the extensor retinaculum, is attached over here. It passes through these grooves anteriorly. As you can see in this picture also, so you can remember the tendons by the mnemonic from medial to lateral side, that is tibialis anterior towards the medial side, then extensor hallucis longus, then there is an artery, that is the anterior tibial artery, then there is a nerve, that is a deep peroneal nerve, and more laterally there is a peroneus tertius tendon. So you can remember these tendons and the vessel and nerve by a mnemonic. The Himalayas are dry places. The Himalayas are dry places. So these are the tendons which pass through the anterior surface of the lower end of the tibia. Now talking of the posterior surface, the lower end of the tibia, of the posterior surface. So below the just behind the medial malleolus, you can see there is a groove. This groove is for the passage of a tendon, that is the tendon of tibialis posterior. Then there passes another tendon, that is the flexor digitorum longus. Then there passes one artery and the nerve. The artery is your posterior tibial artery and the nerve is deep peroneal nerve. And lastly, towards the lateral side, there passes another tendon, that is the tendon of flexor hallucis longus. So onto the posterior surface of your lower end, there passes the tendons of the muscles of posterior compartment of the leg, and you can remember these tendons by another mnemonic, that is from medial to lateral there is tibialis and posterior, then there is tibialis posterior, then there is flexor digitorum longus, then artery, posterior tibial artery, nerve, that is the tibial nerve, and the tendon, that is flexor hallucis longus. So you can remember them by the mnemonic Tom, Dick and A-N, like and ka A-N, and then Harry hallucis. So Tom, Dick and Harry. So this is the mnemonic for the tendons which passes through the grooves which is shown on the posterior surface, that is the lower end of the tibia, right? So posteriorly you can appreciate over here, the posteriorly on the posterior surface of the medial condyle there is an insertion of semimembranosus muscle. There is a soleal line, the upper part is triangular, there is an insertion of popliteus muscle, and you can appreciate on either side of the vertical ridge there is an attachment of tibialis posterior and flexor digitorum longus. So these are the tendons which you can appreciate onto the lower end of the tibia. So coming on to the inferior surface of your tibia, you can appreciate this is the articular surface. This articular surface is going to articulate with the talus and is going to form the ankle joint, and this towards the lateral side of your medial malleolus. So this is the medial malleolus, and onto the lateral side of this medial malleolus, this articulates with the comma shaped surface or the articular surface onto the talus. So this is the inferior surface of your lower end, and onto the lateral side you can appreciate there is a notch which is going to form your inferior tibiofibular joint. So this was all about your tibia, its prominences and your attachment. So these are the two bones. You can appreciate the side, which side, and your muscle attachment. Thank you so much.